Good afternoon, YouTubers. I'm not an expert, and this is Flea Market Finds for August 4th, 2024. So, went to the flea market. Wasn't anything really new. I did turn down some pliers and one nice saw that might have been a distant D12. I couldn't remember how to identify it. Blade was pretty beat up, but the handle was nice. The handle's really what counts on old saws. So I passed it. I wanted $7. It's just too much. I got this. This is all I bought. This is a Craftsman, hang on, 107-37032 block plane. These were made by Miller's Falls. I looked it up. I don't always look things up. So because this one has a depth adjustment screw and a lateral lever, that means it was made sometime between like 65 and 69-ish, according to the internets. It is very similar to this Stanley block plane, which is a little different. It does have a screw, but has a different lateral adjustment doohickey. The same kind of lever cap. It's not identical, but it's similar. It's got that relief lever and then the adjustable throat based on this knob. Now, my new one, the Craftsman, is missing that eccentric adjustment doohickey. I'm going to see if that one will fit it. I think I can find one of those somewhere to adjust. There it is, the throat plate. Needs a little cleaning up, but well, let's try it real quick. I'll pull this one off of here. No, it doesn't just pop right out. It's kind of held in. Okay, well, it's not going to, it doesn't just pop right out. That rivet's actually holding it in there, but that's what it's missing is this piece. I'm just going to put a washer there, and that'll work. What else can I tell you about it? Well, it's got a nice patina to it. It's sturdy and heavily built. I like that. See, I have this Fulton one right here. It's a little bit bigger. I don't like this one. This is very, it's cast, but it's very slightly built. I just don't like it as much. It doesn't feel very sturdy. It works fine. Also, the adjusters on this old Fulton are not that great. When you tighten this cap down, it tends to move the blade a little bit. That's not ideal. So this is a little better. It's very heavy, though. If you were doing construction work and you wanted one to throw in your bag, I'd go with the lighter one. But anyway, there it is, a Craftsman 107-37032, made by Miller's Falls for Craftsman. Needs a little work, but it's pretty nice. I paid $4 for that. I think that was a good deal. Normally, I'm not really a big block plane fan, although I do own a couple. All right, that's all I got for today. Hope you guys are having a good time. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.